Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to replace the ear tips on your AirPods Pro. First things first, make sure you have your spare ear tips that came with your AirPods case. If you can't find them, you can order them directly from Apple. Just double-check you're ordering for the correct model. In this case, we're using the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Okay, let's get started. Open your AirPods case and take out an earpiece. Now, we need to disconnect the silicone tip from the AirPods body. To do this, pull back the silicone tip slightly. Then, get a firm grip on both the silicone tip and the body of the AirPod. Now, gently pull them apart. This might take a little bit of force, so don't be scared. They'll disconnect eventually. Great. Now it's time to choose the tip size you want to use. You've got extra small, small, and large. By default, the mediums are already on the AirPods. So grab your new tip. Pull it back a little like this. Now, you need to find the notch inside the tip. It might be a little hard to see on camera, but it'll be easier in real life. Take your AirPod and align the notch on the tip with the notch on the top of the AirPod. Again, it's a little hard to see here, but much easier in person. Once you've aligned the notches, press and hold onto the AirPod until it attaches. You should feel it click into place. Once it's attached, push the tip back into its normal position. And that's it. You can start using this AirPod as usual. Now, if you want to make sure you're getting the best possible seal with your chosen ear tips, here's a quick test you can do. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Make sure your AirPods are connected. You should see them at the top of the screen. Tap on them to access their settings. Scroll down near the bottom and find Ear Tip Fit Test. Tap on that. Read the on-screen instructions and tap Continue. Then, tap the play button to start the test. Once the test is complete, it will give you a result. As you can see, I currently have a good seal. However, if you don't have a good seal, you might need to increase the size of the ear tips you're using. Once you're done, tap Done, and you can continue using your iPhone and AirPods as you normally would. So, if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching Fix Zone. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.